Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, welcome
Good
back to
afternoon,
the
ma'am.
class. And in the last class, we discussed about some letters. Letters through the inland letter, through the postcard, through the envelopes, how we can send it, how we can receive it through the post office. So after discussing that about the letters, I told you have to send a letter, prepare a message or anything and send it to your loved ones through the post office. So how many of you did it? Anyone?
Ma'am, we are in Muscat. That's why I did.
Okay, Nandana, tell me about it. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, can I show the magazine?
Okay, the magazine which you got it through the post. Okay, okay. So how did you get that one? So
From in the Ma'am, can you spotlight her?
okay, that is only the magazine. Okay, so Kalikudka, like that students magazine. Yes.
Got Kalikudka.
Yes, through the post, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So, see, there will be one cover covering it, right? Yeah. So we can take it. In that one, you can see. Yeah, in that one. Yeah, in that one, you can see your address. Okay, Vihan is also getting. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, I got it. I got the address and everything.
Okay, Vishal also got. So nowadays you are not getting any message, but you are getting the magazines. Okay, through the post. Okay, good. So now we can learn through the mobile phones how can we send and how can we receive message. Okay, through the mobile phones, how can we send and receive message? So I think children, most of you know you are able to use it, right? Nowadays you are using mobile phones. So do you know what it is required for sending mobile phones messages and all?
Network.
Is okay. So from where who is range, what it is providing, range or network?
Technology.
Yeah, mobile towers are required, isn't it? Mobile towers are required. You might have seen, Ashwat, you might have seen this. Yes, you might have seen the mobile towers, isn't it? Let me show you the images of mobile towers. Okay, 1 minute. So keep it ready, you are.
Ma'am, some background noise is coming from
See, somebody is trying to say something, but network is so bad.
Ma'am, the Linlijo was unmuted. Very background noise is coming. Ma'am, I joined late.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute, children. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can Eva show Eva? No.
What you want to show, Eva? Eva? What you want to show? Yes. Can you see this, children? Mobile tower. It is a mobile tower. Okay. I think.
Tower.
Yeah. So you can see. You can see that.
See it. Vodafone.
Oh, okay. Why, sir? You know the company also. Okay. Likewise, so many mobile towers are there. These mobile towers are helping us to get it connected with the other mobile phones, isn't it? Get it connect with the other mobile phone. So how can we get connected? If I want to call Lin Liju, if Lin Liju is not attending the class regularly, I want to inform his parents, isn't it? Isn't it, Lynn? How can I inform? How can I inform? I can call Lynn's parent, isn't it? So I should know the number of the contact number of Lynn's for parents, so I can call. So first, when I dial this Lynn's contact number, some radio waves will form. Some radio waves will produced from my mobile phone. So you may think, what is this radio waves? Have you heard about waves, water waves? Have you heard about water waves?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if, yeah, you might have
Yes, ma'am,
seen
I see.
huge water waves
see
in
it.
beach, isn't it? You might have played in that one also. Okay. So that is all water waves. Here, radio waves, we can't see them, but from our mobile phone, some particular types of wave will produce. Those waves are called radio waves. Signals, we can call it as signals. From that radio waves will be collected by the mobile towers. Okay, so these mobile towers will collect these radio waves. So if I want to call Lynn's parent, what will happen? When I call that number, radio waves from my mobile phone will be sent out. That radio waves will be collected by the mobile towers. Then those will direct it to Lynn's mobile phone. Okay, likewise, these two phones get connected. I will get connection and I can share my opinion about Lynn. Isn't it, Lynn? Isn't it, Lynn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, yes, any doubt, children? If we want to contact through the mobile phone, first we want to dial the number. At that time, some radio waves will be produced from the mobile phones and that will be collected by the mobile towers. Farsan. So from that mobile tower, it will be directed to the phone which we want to contact. By this way, we can communicate. Understood? So, can you take the workbook? Can you take the workbook? Yes. In workbook, page number 27, one question is there. In page number 27, one question is there. Question number 14. We can answer it now itself. It is very easy. It is important also. It is a picture-based question. Picture-based question.
Ma'am, is it book part 2?
Workbook.
Part 2, ma'am. Part 1 or part 2?
Nandana, which part we are using now? Huh? Which part we are using now?
2.
Okay.
Page number.
Page number 27. Page number 27. Everyone take it. Now itself we can write. See, some two pages of the workbook I sent it already, and question number 14 we can write it now. So when we are writing the answer now, the answers will get clear. So 14. First picture shows. In the first, everyone check the first picture. From the mobile phone, radio waves are producing. Isn't it? Can you see the waves there? That radio waves hit a mobile tower. That is the picture. From the picture, we can understand. So, question number 14, first one. Okay, first picture shows a mobile phone. A mobile phone sends out.
Ma'am, we have to write this in
Workbook. See, actually, every points which we are learning, we are writing in the rough book, right? So this one, we can write it in the workbook so that you need not to copy it. Okay. Now itself, you can complete that question answer. A mobile
page number
27. A mobile phone sends out information in the form of, which form it is sending out the information? In which form? Which wave? Which wave?
Radio wave.
Radio wave.
Radio.
A mobile phone sends out information in the form of radio waves. So what will happen to the radio waves? These waves will, what will happen to the waves? These waves hit a mobile tower. Can you see the first picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It is a picture-based question. Okay. So first picture, it is over. Second picture. I mean, what you understood from the second picture? Can you see the second picture and can you tell me? I mean, in the first picture, the radio waves produced from the mobile tower, mobile phone hit the mobile tower. After that, what will happen to the waves? What will happen to the waves? Can anybody else?
The mobile tower will send.
Yeah, the mobile towers,
information
after
to
that,
the
mobile
phone.
towers will send the signals to the other mobile phone. Okay.
Which
The
we are
tower
sending.
then. Yeah, the tower then sends radio waves. Joseph, are you writing?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, I am unmuted. Mute your audio, Ayman. Yes. So in the second picture, the tower then sends radio waves to another phone. The other mobile phone receives the information. So we can communicate using the other two phones. Is it clear? Any doubt in these two sentences?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt.
Harshavardhan, tell me what will happen after the radio wave hit the mobile tower? Second picture.
The tower then sends radio waves to other phone.
Another phone.
Other phones. The other mobile phone
Receives the information. Okay, Kailas Nath.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you read what it happens in the first picture?
A mobile phone sends out information in form of radio wave. These waves hit a mobile tower.
Okay. So good. So and Joseph, what it happens in the second picture?
The tower sends radio waves to another phone.
Wait.
Cell phones the information.
Receives the information.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Okay. So I think children, everybody completed this answer. Is there anybody to complete? Okay, Michelle, so read it. What happens in the first picture? It is a picture-based question, right? So what it happens in the first picture?
A mobile phone sends out information in form of radio wave.
Okay, so underline radio waves. So a mobile phone sends out information in the form of dash. In which form it is sending the information?
Radio wave.
Radio waves. Okay, Michelle.
Okay, ma'am.
These waves hit a mobile tower, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So write it fast. Yes, Olivia. Olivia, read it. What it happens in the next picture?
Ma'am, the tower then sends radio waves to another phone. The other mobile phone receives the information.
Receives the information. I think this much time is enough to write.
Ma'am,
Who did not write? Last? Okay, fast. Vishnu Manoj? Vishnu Manoj?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, mobile phone sends information in which form? Mobile phone sends message in which form? Vishnu? Which form?
Radio wave.
Radio wave.
Radio waves. In the radio waves. Okay. So, next question. So, these radio waves from the mobile phone, where does it hit? Adidev KS, where does it hit? Where does it hit?
This place. A mobile tower.
Adidev,
A mobile of tower.
mobile towers, on mobile towers. Okay, I think this much time is enough. Yes. So next one. Okay, next one we are going to learn about benefits and problems of communication media. See, this communication media using internet, we are going to discuss about it. Okay, benefits and problem. Benefits means the good things. Problems means the bad things that affect the that it is associated with this communication media. So can I make it into two group, boys and girls separate? We have a boys group and girls group. So two topics are boys versus girls. Okay, so two topics are there. First one, benefits, good things. Second one, problems, bad things about it. So boys, which topic you want, benefits or problems?
Benefits.
Okay, okay, so tell me something about the benefits. What are the benefits or good things while we use this communication media, internet, mobile phone, these all things? Tell me.
We can send the messages.
Okay, we can send messages
We can
easily. We can send messages
Ma'am,
fast.
you can send messages faster.
Okay, fast. Okay, we can send message fast. Okay, that is very important.
Also.
can send email.
Wait. Benefits. It is boys' chance. Let the boys to
Yes,
say.
ma'am.
Okay.
Girls are speaking, ma'am.
Wait. So tell me, only one benefit I got. So if I want to show you about the mobile tower, I can easily use that Google, isn't it? I am using it. See, I am using it and downloading it and keeping it for you. Yeah, in the same way, you can learn. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can learn anything. If you want to learn language, different language, you can learn it. Isn't
Ma'am,
it?
we can see videos.
Okay, videos. Okay. So Yeah, we can keep in touch with our friends and families. Am I right?
And we can do the online class also.
Yes, that is the best benefit of it, right? Yeah. So now girls' chance. Girls, you can tell me about the problems by using this communication media. Problems. Problems. What are the problems? No problem. Why only 2 or 3 classes are limited for your online? And in between also it is taking care that you don't have any continuous periods.
Ma'am, you can't give hints, ma'am.
You can't, you can't give hints. You understood? Yes, why we kept it like so, children? We are keeping some gaps between it.
Issues, ma'am.
Yeah, health issues. Okay, so the bright screen of the mobile phone or the laptop, whatever you are using, that can affect your eyes, isn't it? So that is the main problem. And if you are using headphones, are you using headphones? If you are using it for a long, yeah, that will affect our hearing, isn't it? Yes, that is, these all are health issues. And some, tell me.
We should not put our headset while charging because it could blow the laptop.
Yeah,
or
that
any
is
device
all
we are
there. You
using
should
over our
be very
ears because
careful.
we
Yeah,
are-
that.
the
And another
earbuds
one.
in our
Are you
ears.
playing mobile games?
Yes, a little time. Only play a little time.
play mobile games.
Mobile games.
little time.
Ayman, Kaila. Wait. Ayman, Kaila's class. These all are playing mobile games. So I will give the names to the class teacher. Because mobile games are not healthy games. Okay, so you may be taking it for a long time for seeing it. That can affect your eyes, your ears, and you are not getting any exercise. Are you getting exercise if you are playing mobile?
And
we should not use mobiles or laptops while learning, ma'am, like me.
Okay, yeah, that is there. We should not use during the thunder shower. So these all are some of the problems caused by the communication media. We will not,
is a gamer.
okay, we will not get any exercise that may cause our health, that may form it into health issues. Okay, so these are the main problems associated with using of this communication media. So again, one more answer is there. Question number 19. Everyone take question number 19. Farsan, Jo Maria, Lynn Liju, Don Martin, Aryan, Aditya, Bilal. Switch on your videos.
We didn't write 15.
Question number 19. And Pavira, read the question number 19. And Pavira, question number 19.
Ma'am, we didn't do 15, 16, 17 and 18.
That I will
We
send it.
didn't
That
do.
I will send it. Don't worry. Okay. As we discussed it here about the benefits and problems of these communication media, we can write it now. And Pavira, read the question.
What are the benefits and problems of communication media?
Communication media. Okay. So can you see there are 2 columns? First one, benefits. Benefits.
And
So no
problems.
need to write about benefits because it is heading, it is already given. Headings, it is already given. So you can write it down of the benefits. First one, we can learn new things. Very easy. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Google.
See, mute your audio, children. We can learn new things using the internet.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute your audio.
We
Second,
have to write.
second one, we can stay in touch with Somebody's audio is making so much disturbing sound. Amen. Mute your audio. We can learn new things using the internet. We can stay in touch with our friends and family. So now we are moving to write about the problems. Okay.
Ma'am, the 15, 16, 17, 18 answer
will
we
send.
will send.
I will
today.
send it today. Okay. Mute your audio.
Ma'am, I did not finish.
Okay. Somebody I told mute your audio, everyone.
I'm here now. Here we don't have any disturbance, ma'am.
They may cause health problems. Second one, we do not get enough exercise. Very easy, isn't it? Harshavardhan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, those who finish, read it. Find out is there any mistake or anything is there. Check it fast.
We should write, ma'am.
Yes. Who is that? Let me stop. So write it, and we almost completed this chapter. Wait. We completed this chapter. Read the textbook properly. Okay.